What? Just look at that speed, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your speed on the VPN to be that fast. Okay, let's go. Just in 1 minute, in just this small time that I have in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up your HTTP custom to give you free internet at no cost. Okay, I'm going to be giving you guys in this video. I'll be showing you how you can set it up, how you can set up all those settings, how you're going to put in a server, and I'm going to give you a free server, a free personal server for free in this video. So guys, if you are interested, if you're already excited, just give me a like, because in this video I'm going to show you how you will never need to buy data again, how you're going to set up your phone to be at very high speeds, and I'm talking about very high speeds, about megabytes per second. If you go to fast.com, you will know that. And of course, this is the voice of Hacker256. If you do not know me, just follow me on Telegram. Just go to your Telegram, look for Hacker256 and text me there for any more assistance. If you need any of my help, I'll be there, right there for you. So let's get right into the video. So what you have to do, first go to Play Store and just look for this very nice app. The app is called HTTP Custom. So just look for it, search for it, it's going to be there, install. So for me, I already have it installed and I'm going to update it because, you know, anyway, I'll update it in the later videos. But in this video, I just want to show you how you can make your files faster and moving at a very high speed like normal data. Okay guys, are you ready? So what you're going to do is very simple. Just come and open the app right now. So this is how the app is going to be looking like. So when you're inside the app, just do for me one thing. Just come here and say clear or reset config. This one right here, just come and do this, click right there. Yeah, so we are now back to the very normal thing. So now what you're going to do is very simple. Just come to this place here. This is where you put the server, by the way. This is where you put the server, and I'm going to be giving you the server at the end of the video. So just comment down if you need any help. If you want to go to this app, I'll send you the link to you personally on Telegram. So just check this box right here, UDP custom. Tick it, give it a tick. Then the other thing is, now by the way, this is very simple. So what you're going to do is come here. Now this is the time I'm going to be giving you the server. But guys, I just want you to give me a like, because there's no one in Telegram that's going to give you this server. These guys are going to sell them to you. For me, I'm giving it to you for free. All I want is you to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated whenever I release new content for you, that you don't have to struggle in life, that things are going to be easy for you with technology that is advanced. You don't need to buy data, you don't need to pay for things. Everything is going to be for free, and on this channel that's what we do to help the average person out there. Okay, so if you already appreciate our endeavors, just do it for me. Subscribe to the channel and click that like button. Share this video to all your friends if you want. Okay, if you have that friend of yours that is struggling with it, just share it to them, just like I'm giving it to you for free. Yeah, to him that much is given, much is expected. Okay, so just give it. I'm giving you much, so just give it to other people. So what you're going to do now, just click here and I'm going to paste it for you guys. So my server, guys, I paid a lot of money for this server, so I'm giving it to you for free. Just click it, that's the server right there. Are you seeing that server? Just paste it, just write it, take a screenshot right now and paste it. Yeah, so that's the server right there. What you're going to do is very simple, just click connect. So this is the setting, just click connect and boom guys, it's connected. As you can see, they will load this ad for you, but just wait for it to get done. Once it's done, just click this X. As you can see, we are connected. As you can see right here, HTTP custom. So as you guys have seen, these things are very legit. This is a server that I actually sell to people. I used to sell to people, and now I'm giving it to you guys for free because you are my family. So now also come here. Now let me show you if you want to export this config. If you want to sell it to people, what you're going to do is just do this. Just click here and press save config. Just click this, save configuration. So once you're there, just save it. Come here, put in any file name you can say, Tech Universe. Then you can lock it so that they don't see the server you've used. Then what you're going to do is put an expiration date if you want. Choose any. I'm not going to put any for now. Then you can even put a password right there. Just click here, then come here and put in your password. Okay, yeah, so I think that's it. You can play around with all the settings, and then after press save. You go to your downloads and HTTP custom, then you can get the file and send it to your people. Yes, so if you have a configuration, you've got it from me or any other person that's very fast, what you have to do is just click open configuration here, and yeah, it will import inside here and start using connector. Yeah, so that's it about HTTP custom. If you liked the video, just give me a thumbs up, and yeah, connect to me. Just talk to me on Telegram. I want to know who you are, and I want us to know each other so that we can help each other out. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.